Ever wanted to create amazing videos without having to learn complex editing software? Now you can thanks to artificial intelligence. We made a video tutorial with which you will discover how to use artificial intelligence to create tons of breathtaking videos in a simple and intuitive way. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you cut and assemble your videos, apply smooth transitions, and add special effects with ease. The AI makes the editing process a breeze, even for beginners. In our video tutorial, we'll walk you through all the features of AI for video creation. You'll learn step by step how to make the most of this technology, effortlessly creating professional quality videos. Don't miss the opportunity to become an expert in video production using artificial intelligence. Watch our tutorial now, you will find the link in the description.